Imagine a motorhome so powerful that the moment it rolls onto the highway every other vehicle feels small because the 2026 Scania Road King Motorhome is built on the backbone of a legendary Scania truck, and this is not just travel, this is dominance on wheels. From the very first glance, the Road King shows its authority with a massive front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a tall muscular stance that tells you this machine was born to rule long roads and endless journeys under the hood. Scania's latest high-torque diesel engine works with advanced fuel management to deliver smooth, unstoppable power. Whether you are cruising on highways, climbing steep mountain roads, or crossing long desert routes, the intelligent automatic transmission reads the terrain and adjusts itself so the drive always feels effortless and confident. The advanced air suspension absorbs bumps and rough surfaces, making long drives feel relaxed and stress-free even after hours behind the wheel. When you step inside the Road King, the outside world disappears and you enter a luxury space designed for serious road living. Premium insulation keeps noise and heat out, while powerful climate control maintains the perfect temperature in every season. The interior design is modern, elegant, and practical, with high-quality materials, soft ambient lighting, and a layout that maximizes space and comfort. The main lounge area offers wide, comfortable seating where you can relax, watch movies, or enjoy meals, while large panoramic windows bring in natural light and stunning views. The kitchen is made for Real travelers who love Real food, featuring an induction cooktop, microwave oven, large refrigerator freezer combo, deep sink, and enough storage to carry supplies for long journeys. Everything is solid, well finished, and built to stay secure even on rough roads. The sleeping area feels like a private bedroom with a large comfortable bed, premium mattress, side storage, overhead cabinets, and charging ports so you wake up refreshed and ready. Microwave, full-size refrigerator freezer combination, deep sink with filtered water system, and generous storage for long trips. Everything is secured and designed to stay silent even on rough roads, making it feel like a home, not a vehicle. The bedroom area is a private sanctuary featuring a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, overhead storage, side wardrobes, and USB and wireless charging points on both sides. Soft lighting, acoustic panels ensure deep, restful sleep even after a long drive. The bathroom is another highlight, offering a full-size shower with hot water system, modern toilet, and stylish vanity with mirror and storage, all built using water-efficient technology so you can stay off-grid longer without worry. Technology in the 2026 Scania Road King is on another level. A large central touchscreen controls lighting, climate, entertainment, water levels, and energy usage, while Scania's advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree camera. Optional slide-out sections that expand the living space when parked, turning this motorhome into a luxury home wherever you stop. The 2026 Scania Road King Motorhome is not built for rushed holidays or basic camping. It is built for people who want comfort, power, independence, and authority on every road. This is not just about reaching destinations, it is about enjoying every mile, living freely, and carrying your entire lifestyle with you wherever you go. The Scania Road King is a true symbol of road freedom, engineered to rule highways, landscapes, and long journeys without As you inside the Scania Road King Motorhome, the interior instantly feels spacious and premium, with a smart layout built for long journeys, soft ambient lighting, modern textures, and high-quality materials that turn this space into a moving luxury home. Every corner is designed for comfort, storage, and ease of living on the road. The space then opens into the sofa bedroom area, where comfort takes center stage. A wide and soft sofa invites you to relax during the day and smoothly converts into a cozy bed at night. Large windows fill the area with natural light, creating a calm and peaceful environment that is perfect for rest after long drives or quiet moments on the road. Moving further inside, the toilet and shower section appears clean, modern, and perfectly organized, featuring a practical sink, a compact shower space, a well-positioned toilet, and a towel hanging area that adds everyday convenience. The use of water-efficient fittings and easy-to-clean surfaces ensures hygiene and comfort even while traveling. Finally, the view shifts toward the front side of the Scania Road King Motorhome, where power meets technology. The driver cockpit looks bold and advanced with a wide dashboard, smart controls, and a commanding seating position, offering excellent visibility and confidence on highways. This front area completes the experience, proving that the Scania Road King is not just a motorhome, but a true Road King built for luxury travel.